Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this video we are going to be learning how to open your TSB current bank account online. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. So first of all, you can see we are headed over to the link tsb.co.uk, and once you are there, you can see we need to scroll a little bit down until we can see this list of quick links, and from here we are going to be clicking on the second one which says find a current account. Simply click on that and it will be directed towards your current account section, and you can see now it is giving you some information, so you can select what account suits you the best. After that, you can see you are ready to simply select through these options. Once you select, simply click on this ready to apply option, and now we will be directed towards the application page. So you can see now we can simply apply, or we can simply scroll a little bit down until we can find this option to apply online. Simply click on apply online and you will be able to see a form just open up. First we need to simply scroll a little bit down, so just wait for a couple of moments until it loads up. So you can see now currently it is loaded up, and here you need to provide your legal details, and it should be 100% original and verified. So you can see if you scroll a little bit down, you have your title, first name, last name, and every single detail that is important to open a current bank account. So that is going to be a process, and once you fill all of these fields, your account will be opened up within the next 24 hours. So yeah, with that being said, that's pretty much it. If you liked the video and found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.